Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my next assignment. This is source control with Git and GitHub. At first I will complete my part 1, that is GitHub account setup. For creating a GitHub account, at first you want to go to a browser, then search github.com and click on first icon. Here is the sign up option. If you click here, you can see this interface. Here you can enter your email, then your password, then the username, then your country region. After fill all these options, you can select the create account. I have already an account, that's why I will go to the sign in option. Here I will push my username and password. Then click on sign in. This is my GitHub dashboard. Here is my profile. Okay, the part 1 is done. In the second part, I will show the create a local project. For creating a local project, at first I will create a new folder, rename it by hello GitHub. Okay, then I will go to Visual Studio Code. Okay, then select an open folder. Then I select my created folder, hello GitHub. Then select folder. Then I will create a new file, hello.txt. Okay, create file. Then I can write hello, anything, whatever you want. I write hello GitHub. Then I will go to the terminal. Then I write git init, then git add space dot, then git commit space hyphen m space quotation mark initial commit hello colon project, then run. Okay, I have completed my second part, and the third part is create GitHub repository. For creating a GitHub repository, at first I go to my repositories, then in the right corner you can see the new option, click on it. Then you can see the repository name. Here you can write hello hyphen GitHub. Okay, then create repository. Okay, I have completed my repository creating. In the next part is connect local repo to GitHub and push code. For this part, I will go to my VS Code terminal option, then write git branch hyphen m, then space main. Okay, then click on enter button. Then if we go to your GitHub account, you can see here this command. Then you copy this command and paste on your terminal. Okay, after this command, we can also copy the next command from your GitHub account. Then similarly, you can copy the next command with this terminal, then run it. Okay, after the refresh, you can see the hello text file is created. The next part is add one more file and push again. Okay, I will create a new file. The name is version.txt, version 1.0. Then again go to the terminal and write the command git space add space version dot txt. Okay, then again write the command git space commit space -m space quotation mark added version tracking file, then quotation mark close, then run. Then I will give also command git push. Okay, then I will go to the GitHub account, then again refresh. Okay, here you can see the version.txt is created. This is my assignment 5 and I already done it. Thank you so much.